Every door tells a story. At Love That Door, we make sure it's one of authenticity, character, and bold personality. You never get a second chance at a first impression. Our doors are designed to make an impression at first glance and years to come. White glove service isn't just an idea, it is truly a service that we live by each and every day. From the moment your products arrive in our warehouse from their container, our guys are carefully and meticulously taking those products and putting them in a holding bin for us to be able to get them out into the field and installed into your product. Our guys are going to arrive at your property and they might not be wearing white gloves, but they are going to handle your product with the utmost care and reliability. From the moment that they take it off the trucks and they enter into your home, we are touching everything with extreme care, and we want to make sure that you know we are there to take the ultimate care of your surroundings, your entryway, your interior of your home, because if you're happy, we're happy. Make sure you visit lovethatdoor.com and visit our blogs where you can see some of the most frequently asked questions, a lot of great resources that you can learn more about the products we offer, and also some of the other solutions that are available to you.